Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me show you how to use the Life360 landmark alerts. Now, in order to enable this function, you'll need to manually add in a place so that you can track it inside of the Life360 application. So in order to find this option or this function, make sure you're inside of the locations page, and if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see the option called places. You can simply tap on add places and you can select from one of these options such as your home or your school, or you can also manually do it by tapping on the add new places option. So select one of your options and you can manually drag this to select your landmark, and once you're done you can tap on the tick mark or the save option that would be visible on the top right. You can also increase or decrease the radius and then tap on the tick mark on the top right. And there you go, your address or this place now has been added inside of the landmarks alert section. So by following this exact process, you'll be able to add in different sort of landmarks that you want inside of Life360. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.